This is a one-bed, one-bath located in the Taunton at 2333 Taunton Road. Starting at the entrance, there is a den on the immediate right. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Left of the entrance, there is a hallway that leads straight to the bathroom. Just prior to the bathroom, there are two closets on the left and right. The closet on the left features a white, apartment-sized, stacked laundry machine and dryer. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 3 drawers and 2 cupboards below a granite countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Directly ahead of the entrance are the living room, dining room and kitchen area. On the immediate right is the kitchen. The U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, granite countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the dining and living room in an open concept design. On the back wall, there is a large glass window with a rolling shade. Left of the window, there is a glass door that leads onto the balcony. Left of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall. On the left of the doorway, there is a spacious walk-in closet.